So, I'm going to solve some of the problems like like the way the questions rises in your examination. I'm just taken the questions from your previous year question papers. I'm just going to solve those sort of problems, so you'll get an idea like how the questions might rise in your examination. So let me go with the first one. Look at this. Let minimize the expression using K-map. That's it. So they are given an expression y is equal to a b bar c plus a bar b bar c plus a bar b c plus a b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c bar. So they are given an expression. What is the question? What is the question? Minimize the expression using K-map. That's it. They are not specified whether to make use of 2 variables or 3 variables or 4 variables. I don't know. So by looking at the expression, you need to decide whether you're supposed to use 2 variable or 3 variable or 4 variable. How are you supposed to use? How are you supposed to check? Look at these variables. How many variables are there? One is A, B, C. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. In all the products, we have only 3 variables. So it's quite understood that we are supposed to make use of a 3 variable K-map. Okay. So this is whether it is SOP expression or a POS expression, whether it is in the form of sum of products or product of sum. So obviously this is in the form of sum of products because this is a product and this is sum. Products are separated by a sum, so we call this a sum of products. So in case of sum of products, obviously when there is a bar you are supposed to put 0, when there is no bar you are supposed to put 1. First thing, when they are given a boolean expression like this, you are supposed to find out the min terms. First you need to find out the min terms. So what do you mean min terms? Min terms is nothing but this summation of small m. We normally represent with a small m. Okay. So put 1, 0, this is 0, this is 1. What is it? 1, 0, 1 is nothing but 5. This is 0, 0, 1, nothing but 1. This is 0, 1, 1, nothing but 3. This is 1, 0, 0, nothing but 4. This is 1, 0, 0, 0, so nothing but 0. So this can also be written as summation of m 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. This is how it appears. So first thing you are supposed to do like this. Okay. So after doing like this, you need to fill the K-map. You know how the 3 variable K-map looks like this. This is the way a bar, b, a b and a b bar, c bar follows by c. This is the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need to remember these numbers. So after you getting the numbers, here it is 0, 0 is here, put 1, and 1 is here, put 1, and 3, where is 3? Here it is, put 1, 4, where it is 4? 4 is here, put 1, where it is 5? 5 is here, put 1. Okay, remaining portions should be filled with zeros. So first thing, what is the thing you are supposed to when you fill the K-map, first thing you should think is whether is there any possibility of an octant. Octant means 8 adjacent ones. 8 ones. You should look for the 8 one. Is there any possibility of 8 ones? In case of 3 variable K-map, if you want to have an octant, then whole K-map should be of ones. Then only it's possible to have an octant in case of 3 variable. Otherwise, there is no possibility of an octant. Okay, forget about octant. So right now we don't have all ones. So there is no possibility of an octant. Okay, when there is no possibility of an octant, then you are supposed to think about a quad. Is there any possibility of a quad? 4 adjacent ones. Is there any possibility of 4? So here, when you look after this K-map, first thing what comes to your mind is this is 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. So I can make this as a pair and this as a pair. This is what first impression it comes to your mind, right? So but you should think in a deeper manner. You should go with the second method, like is there any possibility of a quad after rolling the K-map? After rolling the K-map like this, is there any possibility? So look at this. If I roll the K-map like this, so this one and this one and this one and this one will meet. Okay, so they will meet like this. So this is a possibility of a quad. So this is a possibility of a quad. One quad is possible. Okay, we are left with a single one. Okay, single one, you need to check whether is there any adjacent ones with respect to this one. Is there any one? No. Is there any, this is diagonal. Forget about diagonal. Is there any one? No one. Is there one? No one. So is there one? Yeah, we have a one. So I can make it as an isolate single group. I can make it. But if you make a single group, you're going to get a variables a bar, b, and c. 3 variables. expression if you make a single isolate. So rather than making this isolate, if I make a pair like this, if I make a pair like this B bar B get cancels, A bar C, you're going to get an expression containing two variables. Obviously the expression containing two variables is better than an expression containing three variables, like, so then you should think about a pairing. So I will make pair like this. Okay, so then you need to you need to write an expression y is equal to, what is the expression for this squared? So A bar B. So you need to look after this one and this one, this one and this one. No, you need to concentrate on this and concentrate on this and these two. Okay, so C bar C get cancels. Okay, so let me and this one you just concentrate on this, A bar B bar B bar, in these two which is common, B bar is common, A bar get cancels. A bar plus A is nothing but 1, right? So B bar B is nothing but B bar. Here C bar C get cancels, so the thing is left is B bar. The expression for this squad is B bar. So what is the expression for this pair then? Look at this, A bar B bar B bar B get cancels, A bar remains, and C here above this vertically above pair, C, A bar C, I call it A bar C is your answer. This is your final answer for this K-map. Okay, let me go with the next. Look at this question. Reduce the following 4 variable function to its minimum sum of products form. Reduce the following 4 variable. In the question itself they are specified 4 variable function to its minimum sum of the products form. You need to minimize this 4 variable expression to minimum sum of the products. Sum of products is nothing but SOP. So what is the expression here? Y is equal to A bar B bar C D bar. It's the same thing what you have done in the above. Just keep on filling this bar with 0 0 1 0. This is nothing. You need to write the min terms, right? So this is 0 0 1 0, nothing but 2. Okay, this is 1 1 1 0, nothing but 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So then this is 1 0 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, next this is 1 0 1 1. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So this is 1 0 0 0, nothing but 8. This is 1 1 0 0, nothing but 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. I am going with this 0 0 1 1, nothing but 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so coming here all are bars, so I am just putting 0 0 0 0, so all are 0, so obviously it will be 0. So I will just write in order